Bills keep climbing, interest rates remain high, and stress is everywhere. But here's the truth. Money anxiety can be managed. With the right apps, automation, and mindset shifts, you can cut daily stress and feel in control again. Today, I'll share a 5-pillar plan to build lasting financial calm. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss practical strategies like this. Pillar 1. Clarity, gaining control. Financial anxiety thrives in the dark. When you avoid your bank account and just hope you have enough, anxiety wins. This helps in clarity, non-judgmental tracking. The psychology. Anxiety is the feeling of powerlessness over a future threat. Control, not positive thinking, restores calm. The action. The 5-minute morning review. This isn't about a no lattes budget. It's a cash flow plan. A tool for awareness, not shame. The habit. Use a budgeting app like Empower, YNAB, or Monarch. Spend 5 minutes each morning before social media, checking yesterday's spending and upcoming bills. This habit does 2 things. Desensitization. Numbers stop being scary. They become just data. Awareness. You'll spot patterns like, wow, I spent a lot on takeout. This daily routine turns finances from a source of fear into manageable data. Pillar 2. Automation. Reducing decision fatigue. Your brain has limited willpower. If you must decide to save or pay bills 30 times a month, you'll burn out. Automation removes that burden. The psychology. Behavioral economics shows the easiest choice is the one you don't make. The action. Create your automatic money machine. Automate your savings. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your high-yield savings account for your emergency fund. Schedule this for the day after your paycheck hits. You pay yourself first before you can even be tempted to spend it. Automate your bills. For all your fixed expenses, rent, utilities, phone, car payment, set them to auto-pay from your checking account. This eliminates the, oh no, did I pay the electric bill? Panic entirely. Automate your debt payments. Set up an automatic minimum payment on every single one of your credit cards. This helps reduce the risk of late payments, protecting your credit score. You can then log in manually once or twice a month to make your extra avalanche or snowball payments. Automation frees up your precious mental energy to focus on what matters, earning more and staying calm. If you're learning something new today, drop a like. It tells me to keep making stress-free money content for you. Pillar 3. Mindset. Reframing your thoughts. You can have the best budget and the most perfect automation, but if your internal narrative is toxic, your anxiety will remain. The psychology. Financial anxiety is often fueled by cognitive distortions, thoughts that feel true but are not facts. Thoughts like, I'll be in debt forever, I'm a failure, or I'm so irresponsible. These thoughts are the source of the anxiety, not the result. The action. Catch, challenge, and reframe. This is a simple reframing technique inspired by psychology. Catch the thought. When you feel a wave of financial anxiety, for example, after opening a bill, identify the exact thought. Don't just say, I feel bad. Say, my thought is, I will never be able to pay this off. Challenge the thought. Is that thought 100% true? Is it a fact that you will never pay this off? No. Are you irresponsible for watching this video and trying to create a plan? No. Your past actions do not define your current identity. Reframe the thought. Replace the toxic thought with one that is neutral, compassionate, and action-oriented. Old thought. I'm a failure. New reframe. I am in a difficult situation that I'm actively working to solve. My past actions led to this, but my current actions, like following my debt plan, are responsible. This is not about lying to yourself. It's about separating your identity from your financial situation. Pillar 4. Control. Scheduling your stress. Money anxiety is disruptive. It wakes you at 3 a.m. It barges in when you're trying to enjoy time with your family. It whispers in your ear at work. The psychology. This is a proven stress management technique, often called a worry window. By giving your anxiety a formal, scheduled appointment, You train your brain that it doesn't need to panic 24/7. The action: create a 15-minute financial focus time. Put it in your calendar. Maybe it's every Sunday at 5 p.m. This is your only time to actively worry, plan, and manage your finances. During the week, when a financial worry pops into your head on a Tuesday, I need to see if that payment cleared. You acknowledge it. You say, "Thank you, brain, for the reminder," and you write it down in a notebook or a financial worries note on your phone. Then you tell yourself, "I will handle this during my scheduled focus time." You are deferring the stress. During your focus time, you open your notebook and you attack the list. You pay the bill, you update your budget, you research that balance transfer, you take action. This trains your brain to be productive with its anxiety, not just to swim in it. Pillar 5, action, small, tangible wins. Anxiety is a feeling of powerlessness. One way to counter feelings of powerlessness is through small, consistent actions. The psychology. The goal of being debt-free is too big. It can take years, and it's a terrible motivator. Your brain needs short-term, achievable rewards to stay in the game. The action? Focus on your next $100. Stop focusing on the $20,000 in total debt. Focus on the next step. The income offensive. Your side hustle is your greatest anxiety-reducing tool. Every dollar you earn from that hustle is a win. It's tangible proof that you are in control and are fighting back. The snowball method. This is why the debt snowball method is so popular. It's not the most mathematically optimal way, but it's often the most psychologically effective. Paying off even a small $300 debt creates a powerful win that builds momentum and motivation, encouraging you to keep going. Track it visibly. Create a debt payoff chart and put it on your wall. Color in a new section every time you pay off $100. This tangible, visual proof of progress is a powerful psychological motivator that calms the anxious part of your brain. There it is, your 5-pillar plan for financial calm. Gain clarity with a 5-minute daily review. Reduce fatigue with automation. Reframe your mindset by challenging toxic thoughts. Control your time by scheduling your stress. And build momentum with small, tangible actions. Managing money anxiety isn't about never feeling stress. It's about having the tools to manage it when it arrives. It's about building a system where you are in control, not your debt and not your anxiety. I'm curious to hear from you. Which of these 5 pillars resonates with you the most right now? What is one toxic money thought you are going to catch and reframe this week? Drop your answers in the comments below and subscribe for more educational content on personal finance.